Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. We are doing a cash stuffing video. Y'all, I have been on my vlogging kick, but I am back and we are cash stuffing today. So we are going to be cash stuffing $250. So your girl has to go to work, so let's get into it. All right, y'all, so we are in the family binder. If y'all hear some stuff in the kitchen, that's Antonio. No worries. He's cooking, so yeah, there's that. But anyway, so this is the family binder, and as always, we start with Alana. So Alana is going to be getting $25. How has everybody been doing? I hope you guys have been watching my vlogs. I have not been cash stuffing, but I have been vlogging. So I have been posting videos on my channel. So, and then we have my goddaughter, Alea. She's getting 25. And as you can see, baby, everybody is broke. So Alea still has those little $6 from when we went shopping for her summer stuff. So she has $20, $25, $30, and $31. So yeah, I'm gonna be getting 25. Y'all, we are finally out of graduation season. So we had graduations, we had our anniversary. So May was a really busy month for us. And now we're in June. Y'all, time is flying. You hear me? So I got 25. Then Antonio is going to get 25. All right. We are going to skip AJ. We are not. As a matter of fact, I can take his envelope out of here. We are going to take a break on stuffing for him. He graduated college. We gave him his money. So he is good for now. Rio is going to get 25. Uh-oh. Did Rio have some money? Yeah, Rio had $5 in his envelope, y'all. So now Rio has 20, 25, and 30. Brayden is going to get 25. We sent him his money for his birthday. So yeah, we've had 3 birthdays in June. And I went on a girls trip. I did a vlog for that, so stay tuned. So yeah, June has been busy. Not only was May busy, June has been busy as well. So that's Brayden, Blue, and Raina. They're going to get 25. Matter of fact, I really could have just kept that little 25 in the bank because they got some flea and tick medicine. Oh, and they still had 25 in their envelope. We didn't even know. So 20, 40, 45, and 50. Look at the doggies. Got more money than anybody. Ain't that so? Beauty. No. Fun. No. All right. Moving on to the next one. So we are going to be doing, so let's do emergency 25. There's nothing in there, I don't think. No. So let's do that. And then we have car maintenance 25. And then home maintenance 25. And y'all, that is it. That is it. That is it. All right, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye.